Have you ever wondered if you can grow your own cucumbers from store-bought ones? Imagine having a fresh and healthy supply right at your fingertips. This video will guide you through the simple steps of turning store-bought cucumbers into a thriving garden. Well, the answer is yes, and today you will learn exactly how to do it. First things first, you need to choose the right cucumber. Opt for a ripe, organic cucumber. It's your best bet for viable seeds. Organic cucumbers often give the best yield. Remember, the better the cucumber, the better the chances of growing a healthy plant. Now that you've chosen your cucumber, it's time to prepare it for planting. Start by slicing it open lengthwise, exposing the seeds. Scoop them out gently, being careful not to damage them. Rinse the seeds under cold water to remove any remaining flesh. Lay the seeds out on a paper towel to dry for a day or two. Once dry, plant them in a sunny, well-drained area. Bury the seeds about ½ inch deep and keep the soil moist. With the seeds properly planted, you're well on your way to growing your own cucumbers. Growing cucumbers from seeds is not a set-and-forget process. It requires care and maintenance. Your cucumber plant craves sunlight, a good drink of water, and nutrient-rich soil to thrive. But beware of common pests and diseases. Aphids and powdery mildew can ruin your hard work. Prevent them by using organic pesticides and ensuring proper air circulation around your plants. With proper care and maintenance, you should be able to see your cucumber plant thriving in no time. When your cucumbers are big, bright, and firm, it's time to harvest. The telltale signs of ripeness are a vibrant green color and a firm texture. Gently twist the stem to detach your cucumber without damaging the plant. The joy of harvesting is unparalleled, knowing you've grown your own food. Plus, these homegrown cucumbers are packed with nutrients and flavor, a testament to your green thumb. And there you have it, your very own homegrown cucumbers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.